Hello guys, I'm Arsh, and before listening to me, can you subscribe to my channel, give this video a like and click the bell icon below. Okay guys, so for this video, I'm going to do something completely different. Recently, I've been doing a few unique videos, okay? But so today, I'm going to be unboxing this little slush maker. It's a chill factor slush maker, as you can see. I'm just going to give you a view of it and overview as well. So this is a slush, basically. Okay, so we're unboxing this. Let's start. Okay guys, so let's just unbox this right now. We've got a straw here. I'm gonna put this here right now, and we've got our rubbery kind of glass. Okay, we've got a rubbery kind of glass. This is basically the slush maker. So we've got the top lid. And finally, we've got a manual. By the way guys, I've already unboxed this. I'm just unboxing it again for you guys. Okay, so there's this spoon kind of thing which actually gets attached onto this little straw here. Put this here. Okay, so now let's just get to it. So we have got our washer here. So guys, we first need to wash the little cooling pack here properly. This cooling pack here properly, okay? And you need to wash the cup as well, okay? And then before use, you need to put this in the freezer for 5 to 6 hours, okay? For 5 to 6 hours. And you can make this drink out of anything, slush. You can make this slush out of anything, okay? Any drink in the world, basically. So let's meet after 5 to 6 hours. Guys, before using, just remember 2 rules. The first thing is that the drink you pour in should be chilled. Okay, and the second thing is that this glass is reusable. So guys, according to the manual, we need to pour in our drink first, okay? I'll just pour in our drink first. Right now I'm using with it, so I think that should be enough. Okay, it's soda, so let's just pour in a bit more. Yeah, and that's enough, okay? And now we need to squeeze. Just like that for about 20 seconds. You can see the ice on top, it's forming for our slush. You can see the ice. Guys, just look, it's turning into ice. So excited. See the ice on top? Whoa, so cool. Whoa. Whoa. So guys, I think the slush is ready now. And let's just enjoy it. Let's see how it tastes. We can put on a lid, but I'm just gonna taste it with my spoon. Very tasty. I'm like very enjoying it. Just look here. So icy. Ah. So tasty. Guys, in my opinion, I'll give it 10 out of 10. And you can also try it. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to subscribe and like and click the bell icon below. Bye guys, bye.